read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Hamid was getting late for the school, but his bag was not ready. His papa was waiting for him at the gate. Hamid was running here and there in search of his books and other things. Suddenly, his mama came and saw him in panic. She said to him, "Why are you upset? Is there any problem?" Hamid replied that his bag was not ready as he was collecting the things. But then he got ready. Hamid's mama zipped the bag and picked it. She held his hand and they left. Mama said to Hamid on the way, "You should always arrange your bag before going to bed. It is good that you learn to help yourself. Remember that God helps those who help themselves."